Thought I'd show everybody. It's a new project, and I've got the cover off. I've got the base and the gas tank out. It's pretty rusty up in there, and the cylinder's stuck. I'm gonna have to get all that out and try to get that magneto off. Hopefully it'll be decent. But I'm gonna see if I can get this thing apart, and I'll cut the camera back on if I can. This is a little better view from the top, and I've done sprayed it down with PB Blaster pretty good. And we did get the magneto off, and this is usually what you'll find, you know, something done made a nest or something. But surprisingly, what usually is messed up is these threads. I don't know if y'all can see how good they are, but man, I think them are the best threads I had ever seen in a magneto that I had took apart that hadn't been worked on. So I'm very pleased with that. Now we'll have to see how bad it is inside of that, where the coil is. So, and we'll have to get all that out of there. And the governor is in there, but it's really rusty. I don't know if it laid on the side or what, but, and the handle is really, I mean, it's almost gone, you know. So I think we'll have to clean in here out. It's bad. So, but I'm gonna carry on, and I'm gonna pause this, and hopefully I can keep it paused, and I'll turn it back on when I get some more progress. We're over here on the workbench, and I can't seem to get that nut off of there, so I guess I'm gonna call this a video, and hopefully I can get that apart without tearing it up. Thanks for watching.